Hello, today is week 3, day 2, and we have been learning about organization this week. This passage is organized to compare two kinds of cars, gasoline cars and electric cars. Think about how each kind of car is different from the other. Gas cars or electric cars. Most cars run on gasoline, or gas for short. Gas cars work very well. There is a problem, though. Cars that run on gas make the air dirty. This dirty air is not good for people, animals, or trees. Gas cars make the air dirty for all living things. What can we do? We can drive electric cars. The paragraph told us how gas cars are both good and bad. What do you think we will read about next? This sentence here kind of gives us a hint. It says we can drive electric cars. Do you think that maybe we're going to talk about electric cars next? Let's see. Electric cars do not use gas. These cars do not make the air dirty. These cars have battery packs that power their motors. The batteries can be charged many times. They can be used again and again. This makes electric cars great. But electric cars have problems too. They are slower than gas cars. They are also very quiet. This means that some people cannot hear them when they drive by. These people may not think a car is coming. They have to be careful. People are finding ways to make electric cars better all the time. Maybe someday all cars will be electric. That would be much better for the world. So we were able to see in the rest of this article how electric cars were also both good and bad. It says, which paragraph tells you about the problems of electric cars? You'll have to look back to the story. This one was about gas cars. This paragraph is about electric cars, but does it say their problems? This one is also about electric cars. So go ahead and take a look and write down paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4 to say which paragraph tells about electric cars. Number 1, what is the passage about? People who ride bikes, cars that do not use gas, cars that are good for trees, D, people who do not need cars. Number 2, gas cars are bad for living things because they, A, make the air dirty, B, are hard to hear, C, have battery packs, D, are slower than electric cars. If you don't remember, go back to where it talks about gas cars, and you can find your answer in that. Number 3, which of these is a fact about electric cars? A, electric cars never have problems. B, electric cars use batteries. C, electric cars are better for the world. D, batteries make electric cars great. So this word fact, what is a fact? A fact is not somebody's opinion. A fact is something that can be proven, that is true about it, and not just what somebody thinks. Number 4, which of these is an opinion? Okay, now we're looking for somebody's opinion. An opinion would be like, that girl is beautiful. Horses are the best to ride. Things like that would be somebody's opinion. So here's A. Most cars run gas. Is that an opinion or a fact? B. People need cars. Is that an opinion or a fact? C. Electric cars are slower than gas cars. Or D. Electric cars are quieter than gas cars.